nice bent, twisted up housing for the, what is it, head height sensor? Something like that. Another beef we have with engineers. You really gave us a bunch of gussets so it wouldn't get mixed up, right? Wrong. Just periodically add to it. Mess with it. Trying to figure out how to plug.
Everyone wants to see this.
Right. Figure out how to hold it.
Whoa. I almost took my leg off. I'm gonna die. Whoa!
What?
When the heck did that happen? Metal. Is it the screen protector, I think?
Yeah, when did that happen?
When did that happen? This is what farmers do on rainy days. We fix all the crap we broke all the other days and just limped it along, you know? Nice.
We're getting there. Gotta tweak it a little bit.
Actually, this lens is screwed up a little. It's like a weird glare.
So is this supposed to be in line with that? Probably.
I have no idea. All I know is I think those nubs on the bottom, like
under
a piece, but they weren't before because, you know, it was all messed up.
Okay, moment of truth. Did I get it right?
You have to talk a little louder. It's kind of windy up here on top of the hill.
Moment of truth. Did I get it right?
Okay.
Probably just edit all that out. Is that supposed to reach down?
Yeah, well.
Or is it one on one side, one on the other?
Yeah. Kind of looks that way.
Yeah. So what you're saying is I got it right.
I think so. Can we get the bolts in it?
Okay, so we're thinking we're going to strengthen this with a piece in here and then a piece in here.
Sorry, the lens got cracked, or hopefully it's just the screen protector, but it kind of screwed some things up. That's why there's a glare.
So did you film?
Or I could just, yeah, always do everything in wide angle lens, and, you know, then it's
Right.
not.
Oh, so where do we have John Deere sheet metal lying around at?
That's off the 4640.
So this is not to be used?
Yeah, it's supposed to go back on you.
Well,
Sorry.
scrap that. I mean, don't scrap it.
What about this little useless thing?
You could do that. It's actually
Darn near
thicker.
perfect.
Yeah, thicker. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Like, you know, you're gonna have to break this up into like 2 or 3 different shorts,
Yeah.
which is probably perfect.
Yeah. So y'all better watch it.
Yeah, real. I said eye protection, and then he's like, "Ah, duck."
It works.
Works. Safety.
Aren't you supposed to wear gloves?
Gloves are for wussies. Not too bad. Like, turn it down a hair. Gloves are for wussies.
You said that.
Oops. Okay. Gloves are for wussies. Take 3.
You're on fire.
Where?
I'm kidding.
Where?
Are you done yet?
Yeah, but look how reinforced it is now. I did that with the direct current 120 volt gasless welder. A little bit of splatter.
Yeah, whatever.
It's
Right.
stronger now than it was then.
Yeah.
Probably present more problems, but at least we're stronger.
Right.
So now the key is to spray paint it before it cools down, so you get the best adherence with the paint. The paint doesn't match. What the heck? Darn it, Rust-Oleum. They lied. So we're protected with this and that, and we've got it reinforced with the plates that I welded in there. So hopefully we actually have more protection this time on that sensor.